Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about constitutional position of Rajya Sabha versus Lok Sabha. First let us discuss where Rajya Sabha has equal status with Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha has equal powers in introduction and passage of ordinary bills and constitutional amendment bills with Lok Sabha. Also, it has equal power in introduction and passage of financial bills involving expenditure from Consolidated Fund of India. The other matters are election and impeachment of President, election and removal of Vice President. However, Rajya Sabha alone can initiate the removal of Vice President. He is removed by a resolution passed by Rajya Sabha by an effective majority, and it should be agreed by Lok Sabha with a simple majority. Also, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha makes recommendations to the President for the removal of Chief Justice and Judges of Supreme Court and High Court, Chief Election Commissioner and Comptroller and Auditor General. Also, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha play equal part in approval of proclamation of all the three types of emergencies, that is national emergency, state emergency and financial emergency. Also, an important point is under our constitution, the ministers including Prime Minister can be members of either of the house. However, irrespective of their membership, they are responsible only to the Lok Sabha. Next, enlargement of jurisdiction of Supreme Court and UPSC are equally in the hands of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now, let us discuss the instances where Rajya Sabha has unequal status with Lok Sabha. They are: first, a money bill can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha and not in the Rajya Sabha. Also, it is important to note that Rajya Sabha cannot amend or reject a money bill, and it should return the bill to the Lok Sabha within 14 days, either with recommendations or without recommendations. In this scenario, Lok Sabha can either accept or reject all or any of the recommendations of the Rajya Sabha. In both the cases, the money bill is deemed to have been passed by two houses. Next, a financial bill not containing solely the matters of Article 110 can be introduced only in the Lok Sabha and not in the Rajya Sabha. Next, the final power to decide whether a particular bill is a money bill or not is vested in the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Also, an important point is the Speaker of Lok Sabha presides over the joint sitting of both the houses. The chairman of Rajya Sabha, that is Vice President, cannot preside over the joint sitting because he is not the member of either of the houses. Next, Rajya Sabha can only discuss the budget but cannot vote on the demand for grants. Next, a resolution for the discontinuance of national emergency can be passed only by the Lok Sabha and not by the Rajya Sabha. And finally, the Rajya Sabha cannot remove the Council of Ministers by passing a no confidence motion, because Council of Ministers are collectively responsible only to the Lok Sabha. Next, let us discuss the special powers of Rajya Sabha. Due to its federal character, Rajya Sabha has been given two exclusive powers. They are: it can authorize the Parliament to make a law on a subject enumerated in state list according to Article 249. And next, it can authorize the Parliament to create new All India services common to both centre and states according to Article 312. Now let us discuss a previous year question based on this. Consider the following statements. Statement number 1. Rajya Sabha has no power either to reject or to amend a money bill. This is true. Statement number 2. Rajya Sabha cannot vote on the demands for grants. This is also true. Statement number 3. Rajya Sabha cannot discuss the annual financial statement. This statement is false because it can discuss the annual financial statement, that is budget. So the answer is B, 1 and 2 only. Thank you.